Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a cool Kombi, this is by Hotwheels and this is from their Surfs Up series, and this is a 2023 edition. So this one, it's like, it's only one in the box. So I think it's the box is J1. So let's unbox it and see how it looks. So I always wanted to get one of these cool Kombis because it looks really nice. So here's a closer look. So nothing in this is actually removable or movable, so it's just like this. This looks really cute. I know there are a lot of variations of this one, but in India it is not easy to get. So I'm happy that I got at least this one. The rims looks really nice. I always love this rim. It looks like a ball bearing. There is an interior here. I hope you guys can able to see at least a little bit. It's a bit hard to show in camera, Yeah, here it is. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.